Hi, in this video I will show you how to make a role in the Discord. So if you are looking for how you can create a new role on the Discord, so simply you have to follow this procedure. So first of all, open your Discord mobile application and log into your account, and you have to click on the three lines on the left top and you will see all of your servers here. Now from here you have to select any channel you want to add a new role. Once you will select and tap a while on it, you will see this type of the screen. Now click on the edit channel and you will see different options here. Simply you have to click on the permissions, and in the permission you will see add a role. Tap on it and click on the everyone, and now you can customize your settings for a new role, and from the right bottom you have to click on the save. So in this way you can add a new role on your Discord channel. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.